Okay, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. I've just put everything back together now for the sunroof. Put the car back on, everything's plugged in. So we're gonna start up. Always start up your car when you do the testing, because low voltage will make the motor not move as powerful as when you have the car running. So I will start the car up. Alright, that's running. So now we're gonna test, because before nothing will happen. Even though you press the switch before, the sunroof will never open. Or sometimes it does open, but not all the time. So now we're gonna press it. Alright, now that's actually working. Put the tilt opening, close it. Okay, so now we'll try one more time. Okay, again. Okay, it's working better than before. I mean, it's opening all the time now. So the roof cassette's getting a bit old as well. So I already lubricated the roof. I already lubricated the actual roof cassettes on top. You can see the little cable there, winding cable on both sides. I've done that, and now I'm just gonna test it one more time. All right, so now that's working. I had to pull the motor apart and replace what was faulty from the actual circuit, so now that's actually sorted out. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.